Yeah guys, take your time out for run up in a mango tree. See if we can get a fruit, you know. This is it guys. Proper. Oh, boy. That's it. Come on yard.
Yeah, amount of struggle man feel. Many days man go without me. Father God, I'm a guide a machine. Keep my focus on the battlefield.
You just wake up. Last few words. Yeah man, the voice kinda hoarse, but you know the energy go. Come on yard. Today is a blessing. We're up on the road. Yeah man, they wait for a cab, you know. I take a trip to St Thomas. Yeah man, know something going to run back a yard. Stoplight halfway, so you know energy. Yeah, wait till it free up on. Hey guys, man, board a taxi. Half a tree. Yeah man, time hot, like really hot, you know. But you know it's up, up on Chaplin and man, no way home. So I'm going to energy. Come on, you know me already always up and about and all over the place. But I have a little history I want to share with you all, you know. It's heartbreaking, you know. And condolences for the ones who lost a loved one throughout the year. Stay positive. Keep getting up, getting about, getting out there and doing the right thing. Yeah man, you know me already. Stay positive myself. And man route for go link up with Kemar from Akitree Catering. You know, I don't want this video to be based up off just me and my little situation, you know. You know it's something, but we go switch it up a bit. So I link up with Bigs and friends and family and I show you all what's popping. Yeah guys, make a quick sprint, come on Moffat, come pick up a tarpaulin and few other items. Yeah man, yeah today. It's a blessed day. Hey guys, so I stop Milton and I get some goat feeding, as y'all can see on the dash. Right now, Boop sit down the road there wait for me. Yeah man, and then stop a chit chat with a few of the guys. Diggle, Zelda and a few more. Yeah man, but you know something go around the steering, so I'll tap out. Until then, come on yard. And we're back again guys. I've been trying to structure my time between work, vlogging, yeah man, but gradually as I progress and things get a little bit better, hopefully it gonna pick up. Yeah man, so doing good things. I'm always say putting together a good video is a bit challenging. Derogative stuff and things are just outrageous. It's very easy, you know. Yeah man, but enough chit chatting. Yeah man, let's get down to business. Yeah man, run our backyard, yeah. Know me already, always active, yeah man. Came here say he want some pepper fish season up. Yeah man, he must season up some meat for the event coming. Yeah man, that's down by St. Anne with GVO. Friends and family, you know this something go. Yeah, that's his, but I keep on repeating myself. I don't know why guys. Yeah man. Whoop! I pray bro. Yeah man, Stammer there, yeah there, you know guys. Yeah man, Stammer circle, you know. Active, you know bro. But they do up a vlog, you know. Yeah good. Man, Stammer circle, you know. Active, you know bro. But they do up a vlog, you know. Yeah good. Yeah man, you know where something go man. Active man. Active brother. Yeah man, we link up man. Guidance, see? That is it. Yeah man. As me say guys, Stammer chat through a while. Yeah man, but while I'm driving I can't really vlog guys. You know, here's something go you have to see if it comes first. Well, I don't know about nobody else, but for me, once me money over the road, me try my best to do the right thing. Yeah man, because as me say, safety comes first. and about today. I'm stopped by Grandpa Falls. Yeah, man, we carry Katie, Real Steel, and a few family members. You know the energy go. No place like what. It's a blessing, man. Yeah, man, and Roger there as well. And a few more family and friends. But we're not going to say 40. At the moment, this is how the place look. Yeah, man, beautiful as usual. I go down by the river a little bit from this, but for now, one love, one heart. This is the yard as is. Me say that one I should like, you know. Yeah, man, this is yard as is, guys. You know the energy go. Yeah, guys, look what movie want right on it, you know. That is it. Yeah, man, it's a blessings, guys. You know, movie have taste. Yeah, man. So this is the one movie love, you know. Come on, yard, man. We're up and active, and we're there at Grandpa Falls at chill, and a few bikers pop by and come enjoy themselves, yeah, man. But you know what the energy go. Bike always carried feet, little buzz, yeah, man. So once and once I go fall in love with the machine, there, man. You know, yes. That is it. Mama asked me if I have vlog, you know. But it's a blessed day, yeah, they are chocolate, yeah, man. As I was saying, yeah, man. Bike or something where always have that buzz where people just love, yeah, man. Yeah, guys, everybody love off the machine. Them, you know, it's something. Youths them find them interesting as well. You know, it's something. Come on, they shine run, you know. Easy back. Mom there. Give me something bad, bro. That is it. This is yard as is Jamaica yard life. I'm up and about and there Grandpa Falls. Katie and them call me. Here, man, so you know to go me and run go a yard. Tap in. This is it, guys. No long time you know come a yard, so the place look different. Yeah, man, a special shout out to Grandpa. You know, energy got my brother up and active. Same way with the yard. Yeah, man, I work at K Frost and the whole family, Real Steel and others. But you also see what I want. I'm happy. Yeah, guys, food time, you know, me already always come out at just the right time. Yo.
So what if you not eat now, you not get none. Done there, done it the pan.
That done?
Yeah, done it.
That is it. Yo.
When the condition, you get none here.
Where you want?
This is the condition. The bread and corn beef. Oh, we're going to make bread and corn beef though. Yeah, black.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Big up yourself. Yeah, guys, I did do that, you know. Once I get the opportunity to spend time with friends and family, that's me, yeah, man. The guys them say them will go, well, come river. Yeah, man, and them want to know Grandpa Falls. So I say, you know what? It's just next door to me. Like Georgie is like a stone throw away. So I decided to take them all, yeah, man, to come experience what the countryside is like. Guys, I'm a little bit hoarse, you know. Yeah, man, because at the time when I say a voice this year, voice note, yeah, man, or the recording to be in fact, move us up a bit, but you know. This is yard, guys, and we just do. Yeah, man. Them guys up and about and I enjoy themselves as usual. I do them little dance routine to our local music. Yeah, man. But you know the copyright issues and so on. I don't want to put in any the songs. Yeah, man. But for now, come on, yard, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. If y'all watch to this far, you know the energy go. We're coming to an end. Yeah, man. But remember for like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, it really does help.
How are you?
Yeah, man, up at Grandpa Falls with them, man. I'm up on a boat a vlog from Dana, guys. You know, you know, Chico. Tropical there, yeah.
You wanna deal with?
That is it, man.
Wanna deal with? This way I deal with, you know,
Yeah,
active
man.
in the street.
That
You get
is
to me,
it.
I say?
Blessings, guys.
That, one tropical. But I wanna know that, hear that?
Alright, come my yard, guys. You open a boat. This is stop a seafood.
So I never go up there.
So, you know, it's a little bit rugged, but we run by Grandpa Falls. And everybody should have their yard, but one of them there we all set it. So, you know, it's a come my yard.
Race me one, race me man.
We not touch your water.
Teach him a lesson up on that. Allow me to tell. Then silent.
Hey guys, everybody run a car and they silent. That is it. No place
Yeah,
like
so
that.
alright, you gotta be in them.
Yeah guys, kid, you know, whenever I open a boat and I look in, you could evidence fit. E-shop. Yeah man. Come on here. Hey, that is it. Fully active.
You just have to make.
I know that when my parents live in Canada now, or my brothers and stuff, they say that you see the sun, but you're not feeling it.
Yes, exactly.
You see it, but you're not feeling it.
Even in the summer.
Yeah, even in summer.
Yeah, I was in a place called Manchester, England,
Yes.
right? And even in the summer, all right, the breeze that you get is cool because you know what? We're near the North Sea.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So
you
the
get the sea
breeze, so
Okay.
even the breeze. So when all these like Caucasians,
Yeah,
sorry Dave and Andy, they're listening in England, right? When they're walking around, they've got no sleeves,
sleeves,
like
yeah,
or
yeah,
quarter
yeah.
sleeve, any wreck. I mean, I know how to do it,
They're used to
and
it.
they're walking around.